the wings of a dead cicada do not decompose. Scientists hypothesized that it was the wings themselves that killed the bacteria. Now scientists reveal how the wing of a cicada kills various types of harmful bacteria. The surface of the clangor cicada's wing is not flat. Cicada wings are covered with a complex nanopillar-shaped conical structure. This cone structure can physically kill bacteria rather than chemically. To understand this physical mechanism, think of bacterial cells like water balloons. Water balloons hang with nanopillar cones. The nanopillar cone then binds to the bacterial membrane. The part of the nanopillar cones then stretches the bacterial membrane until it ruptures. Fortunately, it does not work on gram-positive bacteria, which is beneficial probiotic bacteria. This finding inspires an antibacterial surface that mimics a cicada wing for use in hospitals and other healthcare domains. Antibiotic resistance has become a global challenge because of its severe public health consequences. Some bacteria currently has resistant to artificial chemical antibiotics. We must look to find new ways to fight infectious diseases. Thus, the physical antibiotic ability of a cicada's wing could be the next weapon in the fight against infectious diseases.